Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best practical jokes is probably one of the most entertaining ways to inject some laughter and surprise into everyday life. From classic pranks to creative gags, the world of practical jokes offers endless opportunities for fun. Join me as we explore some of the most hilarious and memorable practical jokes, perfect for sharing with friends and family. Number 5. TASS Gag Bag Series 1 Prank Kit. This kit from TASS is packed with classic and new gags. It comes in a reusable box and storage pouch, making it easy to take the fun anywhere. Get ready for guaranteed laughs. The kit includes a variety of hilarious items, perfect for parties, holidays, and outings. You won't find any filler here, just the best pranks around. It's designed for maximum fun. One of the newest and best pranks is included, the mouse attack. This prank is hard to find in other kits. This kit ensures you get the best and most unique gags. What you see is what you get with this kit. There are no substitute items. The lottery ticket art and packaging may vary, but the fun is always guaranteed. For a full list of what's inside, check the description or pictures. It's a great gift for anyone who loves a good laugh. Get ready to prank your friends. What we like. This kit is packed with a variety of classic and new gags, ensuring laughs for everyone. It also comes with a reusable storage pouch, making it easy to take your pranks on the go. If you're planning a party or a social gathering, this is the perfect choice to keep the fun rolling. What people say. This kit has lots of fun pranks. The quality of the items is good and it was all packaged very nicely. He has been loving the other things like the whoopee cushion and buzzer, which he says actually works, but I do not want to find out. Number 4. Schylling Joke Box, 8 Classic Gags. Get ready for some laughs with this joke box. It's packed with 8 classic gags. This box is perfect for anyone aged 6 and up. Inside, you'll find a collection of hilarious jokes. This box is designed to bring joy and laughter. Get ready to share some fun with friends and family. This joke box is suitable for children aged 6 and older. It's a great way to introduce them to the world of comedy. It's sure to provide hours of entertainment. The box measures 3.5 by 2.5 by 7.75 inches, making it easy to store and carry. It's the perfect size to keep on a shelf or take with you. It's also made in China. This product is manufactured in China. It's a great gift for anyone who loves a good laugh. It's a fun and entertaining item for all ages. What we like. This joke box offers 8 classic gags in one package, perfect for introducing kids to the world of pranks. Its compact size makes it easy to store and carry. If you're looking for a simple and fun prank set for children, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The items in the box are what I'd call cheesy, but for kids they were just the ticket. The vomit was a grandstand hit which was kinda gross, but he was very happy play acting. The bloody finger wrapped in gauze bandage has a spring inside so the outer, yuck looking part can be shot at someone, it doesn't hurt. Number 3. VANVENE Potato Chip Snake Gag Gift. This is a prank gift that looks like a regular can of potato chips. But, it's far from ordinary. It's designed to give your friends and family a hilarious surprise. The can itself is 8.5 inches tall and features realistic graphics. It's designed to blend in perfectly, making the prank even more effective. To add to the deception, the can includes fake nutritional facts. This small detail helps sell the illusion, making it look like a genuine product. Get ready for the main event. A huge 4-foot snake will spring out of the can. It's a shocking and unforgettable gag. The item you receive will be exactly as shown in the picture. The snake and the can are designed to deliver the perfect prank. You can also use the snake with store-bought potato chip cans. This gives you even more chances to surprise your friends and family with this hilarious gag gift. What we like. This prank features a huge snake that bursts out of a potato chip can, creating a hilarious surprise. The realistic graphics add to the effect, making it even more convincing. If you want to pull off a memorable prank that will shock and amuse your friends, this is the one. What people say. Still works in this day and age, as I used it to prank my sister. We tricked the 80s, GMA, and our teacher at school. Every time the kids laughed hysterically. The lid is pretty secure, and I knew my husband couldn't resist these chips that were left on the counter. Number 2. Realistic Rubber Fake Snake Toy 50-inch Mamba. This toy is made of soft rubber. The molding and feel closely resemble a real snake, unlike other cheaply made imitations. If you enjoy pranks, this is the perfect prop. It's great for Halloween, April Fool's Day, or any party with family and friends. Place it in your garden, trees, or grass. It can scare away birds, squirrels, and rats, keeping your garden safe. Kids will love this toy, whether they're playing at home or outside. It's a fun companion for their childhood adventures. We are here to support you. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact us. Our team is dedicated to providing prompt assistance. What we like. This realistic rubber snake is perfect for pranking or as a garden prop. Its realistic design makes it look incredibly lifelike, ensuring a great scare. If you like to prank or want to keep birds away, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Great, realistic looking, great for scaring birds away from building their nest on our downspouts. So realistic and not another cheap toy. Kids can play with for far longer than I would like to admit. LOL, fun for pranking. Good size and wiggly fun. Exactly as advertised, with quick delivery. Number 1. Loftus International 3 Snakes in a Can, Mixed Nuts Prank. Are you ready for a hilarious surprise? This prank is perfect for anyone who loves a good laugh. It's a classic gag that's sure to catch them off guard. Imagine the look on their face when they open this. It looks like a normal can of nuts. But, it's hiding a sneaky surprise. This prank is easy to set up and even easier to enjoy. It's a great way to lighten the mood and create lasting memories. Get ready for some fun. This is a fun gift for friends and family. They'll be talking about it for days. It's a simple prank with a big impact. Don't miss out on the fun. Grab one today and prepare for some laughs. It's a guaranteed good time. What we like. This prank features 3 snakes hidden inside a mixed nuts can, ready to surprise anyone who opens it. It's a simple yet effective prank that's sure to get a reaction. If you're looking for a quick and easy prank to play on someone, this is the perfect option. What people say. I strategically placed this fake can right where I kept my original jar. Just as he starts to ask me how the heck you get the lid off, the thing pops open and the snakes go flying. Funny prank for my unsuspecting parents. It was a little difficult to open, but that definitely added to the surprise. I was able to pretend to have a hard time opening the container, gave it to my mom, and she actually did have a hard time opening it and was very surprised by the snakes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.